So now we're checking the
Ilhan na no,
site
may lobby.
inspection with this property located in Barangay Tawala, Panglao, Bohol in Panglao Island at the back of Panglao International Airport. So back of perimeter. So at the back of the perimeter fence
May ni
of
kidako no.
Panglao International
Lapad.
Airport. So likod yun siya guys.
So di ara dire ang
Magtulpol ang
Na mo man siyang kuan na.
street na to.
Oh.
the monument, no?
So paingon dito so
So there is adjacent also. Actually the size is 4,359
Maura po ngani gapon.
square meters.
So asa gilaw mo taman.
Title, then the adjacent is 6,000 square meters. Also for sale.
Oh, okay, 4,000 ba yan eh?
Ang pabor nga ipabaligya gyud is 4,359 at 4,000 pesos per square meter. Actually, the ranging price in this location is already at 6,000 no, per square meter. The owner decided to sell because
Kini.
money, kinahanglan sa kwarta. Then this is very close from highway on the other side. At the back
Ay na, okay na, okay na.
Crystal E
Ha?
College. Likod rin siya sa Crystal E College. All are flat terrain which is ideal for a subdivision development. So pwede sa buhaton ng subdivision or pwede po niyo buhaton nga gitawag og mga like hotel, pwede po no. Buhaton diha og mga abtanan sa mga turista. So pwede ka maghimog hotel doon. Likod naman sa airport doon. Then the concreting is ongoing, no? Concreting of the road is ongoing. So nagpaingo na. So nindot na ni guys para tayo. Ang uban dito sa airport guys. GGP kawasan na gina siya dyan. Tagas na gina presyo o more pagani. Mao na yan. First na interior niya it's 4,000 only per square meter. And this is already an existing road guys. Again, all buhaton ang another municipal hall. So
Okay, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. So we are here in Panglao International Airport. So at the back of this international airport we have a property for sale which is 4,359. So mao ni ato ang gibaligya 4,000 pesos per square meter. And this is the airport guys. So kini mo ni airport, kini dapita. So ang property likod raani nga perimeter fence, likod raani at the back of the perimeter fence of this Panglao International Airport. The price is very affordable, 4,000 pesos per square meter. It's a clean title, limpyo ang titulo. So mao na siya guys, kanang basta kana diha dapita likod rin. Then the road were already started to develop, no, concreting. So nagsugod na og concreting sa road unya mo na no, makita na to na daghan dito mga nangagi dire. So meaning dool ra gyud kayo, nindot kayo nga property. Although rough road pa siya pero you know guys, anha di adapita ibalhin ang City Hall, Municipal Hall sa Panglao Airport. Likod na ni sa Crystal E College. Doon na gyud kayo. So mao nay naka-advantage sa property nga atong ginabaligya ron guys. 4,000 pesos per square meter. So negosasyon lang tapon kung kuan gyud, no. Kay owner said net pero why di mahangyo kung maghinangyo ay na gyud sa actual, no, kay dako man sad. So 4,359. Then the adjacent is 6,000. Same owner ra sa ilara nga side. baligya gihapon. Same price. So if ever you are going to buy the whole, no, 4,000 at 6,000, nindot na kayo. So for inquiries, just contact me. Then we will attach the video, no, sa property. All are flat terrain. Then few minutes drive kay gamay ra maning Panglao, guys. Few minutes drive from the Panglao White Sand Beaches. Mga kaliguanan ba sa Alona, dool ra kaayo. So nindot yun nga property. Oh, that is very good opportunity. Okay, pwede siya i-convert into a subdivision development. Okay. Thank you and God bless all. Happy viewing. Bye.